Panda Express Black Pepper Angus Steak is delicious. Today, I'm showing you how to make this premium dish at home for less money, but still tasting like the stir fry you all know and love. I love Panda Express, but with prices at an all-time high, I thought it would be a great idea to make this popular dish at home so you can enjoy it too. This recipe is remarkably straightforward, and you'll be making black pepper Angus at home in no time at all. Let's get cooking. Slice half a yellow onion into about 1 centimeter wide cuts. Cut up 1 cup of broccoli rabe. Broccoli crowns can also be used. Dice 1 red bell pepper into about 2 centimeter pieces. Then slice 8 ounces of white mushrooms. This recipe has lots of veggies, and we love that. For our sauce, add half a tablespoon of cornstarch, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and then 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 2 tablespoons of chicken stock. Give it all a good mix. This sauce really packs a blend of peppery and soy flavor. Take 1 pound of Angus Sirloin Steak and dice it into about 2 centimeter wide cubes. We don't want to make our pieces of steak too big. Alright, and of course we'll add 1 teaspoon or pinch of baking soda. This will help velvet the meat later. Let's get cooking. Get a wok on high heat and add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic with oil. Then add the beef. Toss it around until fully cooked and browned, then set it aside. Add our veggies. We actually over-prepped our veggies, but feel free to add more steak when you make this to use the rest of the veggies, or save it for later. Toss it all together for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then add back our steak and toss for another 1 minute. Then we'll go ahead and stir up our sauce to make sure it's all mixed, and we'll add it as well. It'll thicken up nicely, and we can just toss it to make sure everything's coated. It smells amazing. Just look at that. We really want to make sure everything has a nice coating of our sauce. And boom, we have Panda Express Black Pepper Angus Steak. Which do you think looks better? Let me know down in the comments. Each bite of this dish is amazing. The steak with the crunch of the onions and veggies is fantastic, and that pepper gives a punch of flavor. Here's today's ingredients recapped. Note that broccoli crowns can be used if you don't have broccoli rabe. If you enjoyed this dish, then be sure to like and subscribe for more to keep this channel going, and let me know what foods you want to see next.